Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through setting up recurring transfers with Bank of America. Automating your payments or savings can save you time and ensure consistency. So now let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to the Bank of America website. Enter your online banking username and passcode. So after that, once logged in, click on the Transfers tab. Now choose option. Click on Schedule a transfer or Set up recurring transfer. After that, choose the accounts involved in the transfer. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and choose how often the transfer should occur. So it can be daily, weekly, or monthly. Select the date when the first transfer should occur. And if applicable, choose when the recurring transfers should end. Now review all the information to ensure accuracy. Click on Confirm or Schedule Transfer to finalize the setup. Now by following these steps, you can easily set up recurring transfers with Bank of America, ensuring your payments or savings are managed automatically. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.